Hey everybody, Gino here with STA So Cool HVAC. We're on the final stretch of a big job we just completed down by the river and the train tracks. It was adding a air conditioning to the second floor and adding a new furnace and AC to the first floor. So it's been a big job. We've been here for about 4 days. We're tying everything in, making it look nice, pretty, and neat and clean, and making sure everything works at the end. If you need anything in the future, please feel free to reach out to us at 412-290-4980, and we're going to kind of show you a little bit of the job from start to finish, so stay tuned.